Normal life in Moreh town has been affected by the 48-hour ban imposed by various Kuki pressure groups. Passenger services along Imphal-Moreh have been disrupted. Ban supporters destroyed a barricade erected by Assam Rifles at the public waiting shed at Moreh Gate number 1. No untoward incidents have been reported so far. An exchange of fire took place between the cadres of NSCNR and NSCN-IM at Thiliksu village, Block 1, Nagaland last evening at around 7:45. One reportedly sustained minor injury in the firing. Reports said that some IM cadres were injured in the incident. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today relaunched the helicopter service at the Imphal International Airport this morning in the presence of several dignitaries including Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar and Forest Minister T.H. Syam Kumar. Manipur Kuras team has left Imphal today to take part in the All India Cash Prize Kuras Championship 2019 to be held from August 24 to 26 at New Delhi. The championship will be held under the aegis of Kuras Association of India. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in Tripura will have its organizational election in September, October and November next. The election schedule as part of routine organizational exercise to boost the party was announced in Agartala yesterday, according to reports. In the meantime, membership drive of the party concluded. Reportedly, the membership drive has been a grand success as over 6 lakh people have enrolled into the party. India is mulling to open border hearts with Myanmar through Myanmar. The success of the border hearts with Bangladesh and Tripura and Meghalaya has encouraged similar initiatives as per reports. The centre, in coordination with the Mizoram government, is likely to set up 4 border huts along the border with Myanmar to boost local trade and offer employment opportunities to the indigenous people residing in border areas.